everyone, it's Justine. I wanted to make a whole video about this stamp set because I discovered how much I really liked it as I've been using it throughout my kind of journey here through January's club items. Now, I wanted to make a card all about it, but really I ended up making so many of them this month that I thought I would just show you all the ones that I made instead of showing you one video because they are all sentiments. It's kind of tricky to make just one card with one sentiment on it. So just to let you know, a way that I like to use sentiment stamps like this is I like to batch stamp. So I will go ahead and stamp out a whole bunch of these right as I start making sentiments. So if I need a sentiment from a stamp set, I will just go ahead and cut out a whole bunch of them and have them on hand. Black and white seem to kind of work for my brain and my crafting, so I just have a lot of these all ready to go when I am crafting. I can just grab one and put some cardstock behind it and I'm all set for a sentiment on my card. So I did just want to mention that little hack for you. But now that I am going to kind of store this one away, I will grab some kind of clear pouch. I'm not sure which one I'll grab now, but some pouch from my stash here, and then keep these sentiment pieces that are already finished and ready to go with my stamp set. So later on, even if it's 2 or 3 years from now, I can go ahead and grab this and it's ready to go for me. Then I'm cleaning my ink pad, or I'm pulling out my ink pad once, I'm cleaning off my stamp one time. So it's a big hack that I just adore. So again, all of these cards that I'm showing here today are all from this stamp set, which is the Sentimental Greetings stamp set. This is the add-on stamp set from Spellbinders for January 2022, and it's just simply perfect for some cards here. So here is the first one. We have Make-A-Wish. I paired it with some puffy stickers as well. Here's this one. I had a lot of these Hoping You Get Well Soon cards. I think it's always handy to have some of these on hand because you never know when someone is sick or going through something. You can go ahead and send them something like this, and it's just a little cheerful hello. Same with the Thinking of You Always sentiment. It's just nice to have something like that on hand, and I just thought that this woman, I named her Veronica, if you watched any of my other videos, Veronica here, she's just so pretty, and it's just perfect to have as a little pick-me-up. And of course, thank you cards are always so handy. I'm a kindergarten teacher and I need these on hand. No kidding. And here's Veronica again. She's now by the window. So let's move on to some of the stitched cards that I used. This one was just so pretty. This is the You Brighten My Day from the sentiment. We have Make-A-Wish. We have For You, again, all from this stamp set. Thank You Again. We have Thinking of You Always, which is right here. Another thank you. And one 5x7 card, of which I use the thank you on as well. So thank you for watching this video, and if you had a favorite, let me know in the comments. I think one of my favorites has to be this one of Veronica in her apartment, and I also just love this purple one. It's just gorgeous. And the Club Blooms die set here is just so gorgeous, so maybe these are my top 3. Anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and check out this stamp set on the Spellbinders website. I will have it linked below, as well as all of the other club memberships linked below as well, just as all club memberships link. Have a great day. Bye.